Hi, young host. I'm Adderly Fong.
Hello, I'm here with Adderly Fong, who's just been back from Valencia. So what have you been doing there?
I was there testing the 2012 Sauber C31 Ferrari Formula 1 car.
And he's the first Chinese person to ever do that. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to challenge him to a car race in a video game arcade. So are you up for it?
Sure, let's go.
I got third place because there were 3 people in the race. But how was it?
Yeah, it was good. We had a surprise guest who sat down at the machine with us, and yeah, I wasn't taking it easy on you, so I didn't take it easy on him.
And he won. So well, I know I lost, but I can get to say I raced with Adderly Fong. So good game.
Congratulations.
Nice.
Comes and you don't even think about it anymore. And it's that flicking water off your fingers. It's meant to feel like it goes all the way to the end of your hand. 5, 6, 7.